Ever wondered how to just feature local products on a page on your website? I'm Poch from Intention Creative, the industry's leading liquor store niche marketing agency. So let's start here from the dashboard again, and you're going to want to look for the product menu. So from the product menu, we would click Product Groups. On the top right, we have here the plus sign. Let's click on the plus sign to create a new group. For the title, we can just put Local Products. Then here under field name, you're going to want to click the downward arrow to expand the menu. And let's search for state. Let's say, for example, you want to find local products of New York. Type in New York, and now you have all products here that are local to New York State. Now, what's great about this is once you click on save, you now have a product group of just local products from New York. So the great thing about this is it'll change. Every time there's new products, you'll just update that. And you can get the link over here in the product groups menu. So it's under local products, and you have here the link. All right. If you want to see more City Hive tips and tricks, join our newsletter in the link below. If you're a liquor store looking to grow your in-store or online sales quickly, visit our website at intentionallycreative.com.